What's up guys, it's Koio from Gentleman Within, a channel dedicated to helping men dress better and feel their best. And in this video, I'm going to be unboxing and giving you a first look at the Koio Primo Roccia high top sneakers. Stay tuned. I first want to thank Koio for sponsoring this video. This isn't my first go around with them. In fact, I owned a pair of their low top sneakers here, and this is another suede pair, which is the Koio Capri Arena. They've gotten plenty of mileage in the past year and they've been holding up really well. And so I'm excited about this pair right here. A little bit about Koio. They were founded in 2014 based out of New York City, and all of their sneakers are made with quality Italian leather and suede. Just like the Koio Capri's neutral sand colorway, the Primo Roccia features this versatile dark gray tone. And I think that these sneakers with this colorway is going to be particularly perfect for fall and winter seasons. I opted for the high tops because they're just a completely different aesthetic from the low top trainers. And I also like the challenge of the different types of ways that I can possibly style them. So now let's jump right in with the style and aesthetic of the Koio Primo Roccia sneakers. In terms of style and aesthetic, the Primo Roccias are pretty minimalist for high tops. The sneaker upper features a similar silhouette as Koio low top sneakers with the addition of the slim and narrow high top. It's definitely not bulky or chunky at all, which makes them great for casual or more refined smart casual fits. The margam rubber outsole contrasts against the dark gray suede upper, and I like that it's not all white. Instead, it's an off-white shade, which pairs really nicely with the slate gray colorway in my opinion. It's got 5 standard eyelets along the front of the vamp here, and then 3 additional eyelets running up the ankle. And if you notice the little details, there are little plastic ring eyelets, which the other sneakers, the Koio Capri, doesn't have. All right, so quality and construction of the Primo Roccia sneakers. As you can see, this entire upper is crafted with this dark gray suede. It's soft and super smooth with a premium feel to it, unlike suede materials that you're gonna find on cheaper suede or nubuck sneakers. As mentioned before, just like the other Koio sneakers, they're equipped with the margam rubber outsoles, which are an industry standard for luxury sneakers. The sole makes the sneaker feel a little bit heavier, but it does have a substantial feel to it, and that it's going to last for a long time. And then on the inside, there's this buttery, soft, and smooth calf leather lining, and it's leather lined throughout the entire shoe. And there's also a removable insole. So insole made in Italy on the back, and it is leather lined here on the top. But having this removable insole is nice to have because it adds to the cushion and the comfortability, and it can also aid in providing a better fit. And also another small but appreciated detail is the hand-painted edge finish along the sneaker upper. And just like the Koio Capri Arenas, the Primo Roccias come with these waxed laces that are the same color as the gray suede. All right, so how to style these Primo Roccia high top sneakers. I thought about it a little bit. I don't really own all that many high top sneakers, so it's been a while, and I think the best way to style high top sneakers is with a little bit of a break and pants that have a little bit of a taper. You don't want your pants or jeans or whatever to be flooding over the high tops. And since these sneakers have a little bit of more of a narrow, ankle here, I think it looks great with more casual fits and smart casual fits as well. So these sneakers can be worn with everything from jeans, chinos, and even joggers. As I mentioned before, they're minimalist, neutral, and narrow, which makes them exceptionally versatile. And so you can keep it relaxed and casual in jeans with a basic tee, or you can rock them with chinos and a button-down shirt for a simple, smart casual fit. Feel free to cuff your trousers for no break to let the high tops get the spotlight. And finally, you can even dress them down with ultra casual joggers. Ensure that the joggers are tapered towards the ankle and aren't flooding over the sneakers to avoid a sloppy look. For sizing, the shoes fit a little bit snug, especially if you size down, which is what they recommend. The Koio Capris that I got, I didn't size down, and they're actually a little bit too big. And so you're definitely gonna wanna account for stretch and wear over time. If you have regular or narrow feet, you'll definitely wanna size down. And if you have wider feet, then you can get your normal size. And if you're unsure, Koio has a Find My Size guide on their website, which will guide you down the right path to finding your perfect fit. All right, thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. I put out new videos like this weekly. I wanna thank Koio again for sponsoring this video, providing these sneakers, And yeah, I'm just a big fan of Koio, been rocking them for a little while now. And I really look forward to busting these out starting, you know, late summer, early fall. And I think they're gonna be really nice addition to my sneaker collection. So that's all I got for this video. Cheers to your style, and I will catch you on the next one. Peace.